channel students. Today we'll begin with the next topic, that is frustum of coal. So before understanding the meaning of frustum of coal, do subscribe my channel. Please subscribe so that you will get all the videos. You can, whichever you want problems, you can go through them and it will be helpful to you in your further coming exams. So now frustum of coal. So just we'll draw one cone to understand what is frustum. It's not frustum, it is frustum. You know, this is a cone. It has one circular base, one vertex at the end, and we call this as the height, which is perpendicular to the base. This is radius and this is height. If this cone, imagine children, like in the cap. So in your birthdays and all, you will use like a cone shaped caps. If those caps are cut parallel to the base, that means you will get like this. Parallel to the base means you will get like this shape when you cut. Is it? When we cut like this upper part remains as a mini cone, that is a small cone, and the below part it will have two circular ends. Like this it gets cut. Two circular ends. Best example is your glass tumblers which you drink water, buckets which you use in your homes. So such all those with this one, the things, utensils, they are called as, they are the best examples for frustum of cone. So how do you get frustum of cone? If the cone is cut parallel to its base, the one part comes as a cone, smaller one. The remaining part we call it as a frustum of cone. The only difference here is there are two circular ends. One, of course, it will be bigger one, and the other, this is smaller one. But in the buckets and all, usually we have the smaller circular ends like this at the bottom and the bigger circular ends at the top. So here we take whichever is bigger, we take it as R1, and whichever is smaller, we take it as R2. And this remaining, it remains as height, and this is called as slant height. So already for the formulae of the frustum of cone, I have told in my first video of the surface area and volumes. You can check that in the playlist. You will get it clearly. Now we'll begin with the exercise of frustum of cone. The first question here, we'll go with the given. Yes, children. So in the first question, there is a glass tumbler, that is the frustum only. They have given its height as 14 centimeters. Two diameters are given, D1 equal to 4, D2 equal to 2, and the question is the capacity of the glass tumbler. That means how much water it can hold. So now convert this D1 as R1, 4 by 2, and R2, 2 by 2, because we need radii. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. So R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 1. Now we are going to find the volume of frustum of cone. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi h, and the formula here it goes R1 square, R2 square, R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2, because there are two R's, the formula. The cone formula, you know that it is 1 by 3 pi R square h, but that R square will become now R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So the same thing we are going to apply here now. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. The height is 14, and R1 square becomes 2 square plus R2 square becomes 1 square plus 2 into 1. Now 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 2s are 44 divided by 3 in the bracket. 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 2. So we'll continue here now. Remaining part. It is 44 by 3 into 4 plus 3 is 7. So multiply 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28 plus 2, 30 divided by 3. You can write just 308 by 3 centimeter cube. Even this is also correct. Not necessary that you should keep it in decimals only. Yes. Next, again they have given there is a frustum of cone, children. So the frustum of cone, if you take circular ends, slant height is given 4 centimeters. Now children see, there is no radii given. But we know that instead of radius, they have given perimeters. Perimeter of circle 1 is 18 centimeters and perimeter of circle 2 is 6 centimeters. That is, they are circles. Using the perimeter of a circle formula, we need to find the radius. So first we will find that perimeter of circle 1 is equal to 18 centimeters. The formula here is 2 pi r is equal to 18. We will get r1 here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 is equal to 18. So r1 is equal to, the 7 moves to the numerator, 18 into 7 divided by 22 into 2. So 2 1s are, 2 9s are. Now 9 7s are 63 divided by 22. Yes, R1 we got it as 63 by 22 centimeters. Now we'll find R2. Perimeter of C2 is 6 centimeters. So perimeter again 2 pi R2 is equal to 6. 2 into 22 by 7 R2 is equal to 6. Therefore R2 is equal to 6 into 7. Again 7 goes to the numerator, divided by 2 into 22. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So 7 3s are 21 by 22. This is R2 we got. This is R2. Now we need to find the curved surface area of the frustum, given frustum. CSA of frustum is equal to pi L R1 plus R2. It is just a cone. CSA of cone is pi RL. Since here there are two R's, we need to take like this. This is 22 by 7 into the slant height given is 4 centimeters. R1 is 63 by 22 plus R2 is 21 by 22. Once again I write, children, 63 by 22 plus 21 by 22. Now 22 fours are 88 by 7. This LCM, because the denominators are same, no need to take the LCM. Directly add 63 plus 21. So it becomes 84. 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8 divided by 22. So 22 1s are, 22 4s are. 7 1s are, 7 1s are, 7, 1 remains, 7 2s are. So 12 4s are 48 centimeter square. Because it is a curved surface area, it is 48 centimeter square. That is the curved surface area of given frustum of cone.